Welcome to MathMathed, where problems are no problem. Ever get a set of numbers and someone asks for the mean, median, mode, and range, and you freeze because you're not sure which is which? By the end of this video, you'll be able to find all four in under a minute, using just one simple example. Here's our data set for the whole video. A soccer team's goals scored over 5 games, 2, 3, 3, 5, and 7. We're going to run this same list through all 4 calculations, so keep these 5 numbers in mind. Let's start with the mean, because that's the one most people already sort of know. It's just the average. To find it, you add up every number, then divide by how many numbers there are. Adding those up, 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 3 is 8, plus 5 is 13, plus 7 is 20. So the total is 20. Now we divide by how many games there were, which is 5. 20 divided by 5 is 4, so the mean is 4. Next up, the median. The median is the middle number when the data is lined up in order from smallest to largest. Good news, our list is already sorted. 2, 3, 3, 5, 7. Since there are 5 numbers, an odd count, the median is simply the one right in the middle. Count in from both ends. 2, 3, that's 2 numbers on the left, then 3 is the middle one, then 5, 7 are the 2 on the right. The middle value is 3, so the median is 3. Quick note for later. If you ever have an even number of values, there's no single middle number. Instead, you take the 2 middle numbers and average them. But with our 5 games, we don't need that step here. Now the mode. The mode is just the number that shows up the most often. Let's check each one. 2 appears 1 time, 3 appears. Let's look. 1, 2 times, 5 appears 1 time, 7 appears 1 time. 3 shows up twice, more than any other number, so the mode is 3. Notice the mode and the median happen to both be 3 here. That's just a coincidence of this particular data set, not a rule you can count on in general. Last one, the range. The range tells you how spread out the data is, and it's the easiest calculation of all. Just subtract the smallest number from the largest number. Our largest value is 7. Our smallest is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. So the range is 5. Let's pull it all together and double-check every single value using the original list. 2, 3, 3, 5, 7. For the mean, we added them to get 20, divided by 5 games, and got 4. And if you multiply 4 back by 5, you get 20 again, which matches our total. So that checks out. For the median, the numbers were already sorted, and 3 sat right in the middle with 2 numbers on either side. That checks out too. For the mode, 3 was the only number appearing twice, while every other number appeared just once. And for the range, 7, the biggest, minus 2, the smallest, gave us 5. So for this one data set, we've got a mean of 4, a median of 3, a mode of 3, and a range of 5. 4 different numbers, 4 different questions about the same 5 games. The key thing to remember is that each one answers something different. Mean is the average, median is the middle, mode is the most frequent, and range is the spread. Same data, 4 different stories. If this helped, the next video covers how to handle mean, median, and mode when your data set has an even number of values. And if you're finding these breakdowns useful, subscribing helps more of them reach you.